Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter called triangles. Okay, so after lines and angles, we have to know what is triangle, what are the properties of triangle, different type of triangles. Okay, and there's a concept called congruency of triangles. And if you guys will understand, then there's another property called similarity of a triangle. Okay, so everything is easy. So we will start with basic definition of different type of triangles. Okay, right, everyone? Okay, okay, everyone. Now see this. Everyone should see. Now, when you talk about a triangle, what do you think? What is a triangle? It is a closed figure, right? Okay, or I can say that it is a type of polygon. Yes or no? It is a type of polygon, right? Now, the first closed figure which can be formed by the number of lines, okay, lines, not uh, curved lines, straight lines, okay, is your triangle, right? Yes, it's a three-sided polygon. Very good. Now, when you talk about this triangle, right? When you talk about this triangle, it's a three-sided polygon, have a three sides. So I can say that these three sides are the parameters, right? Now, apart from these three parameters, okay, which are the sides, what are the other parameters? Tell me, what can be the other parameters of a triangle? Everyone? So we say that we have three sides. So three sides are the three parameters of a triangle. Okay, right? Then other three parameters are angles. Okay, angles. So I can say that in a triangle, we have total of 6 parameters. Okay, see, I'm saying the parameter which defines a triangle. Okay, area will not define a triangle now. But I can say that the angles as well as sides can define my triangle. A triangle can be defined on two bases. First based on side and second based on angles. Okay, everyone? So I can say that in a triangle, I will be focusing on 6 parameters. Okay, the 6 parameters can be divided into two parts. First, 3 parameters, which are the 3 sides, and the second, 3 parameters, which are 3 angles. Got it, everyone? Tell me. Right? It's quite easy. Now, after understanding what is my triangle, right, I have to ask myself, okay, so now we know what is triangle, but what are the different type of triangles, right? What are the different type of triangles? Now, if you categorize anything, it should be on the basis of some parameter, yes or no? For example, if you categorize the students in your classroom, you can say that we can categorize into two parts. Okay, it is either boys or girls. Okay, so I can say that anything can be categorized based on some parameter. Okay, there should be some parameter on which anything can be categorized. So I can say that since we have two different type of parameters, sides as well as angles, I can categorize my triangle into two parts. First based on sides and second based on angle. Okay, right? So see this. First, based on side, we have three type of triangles: scalene, isosceles, equilateral, right? Isosceles, scalene, equilateral. I hope all of you have studied these things in junior classes and all of you remember, right? So if all three sides are equal, if all three sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called as equilateral. So equilateral, all sides equal, right? What about isosceles? Tell me, what about isosceles triangle? Yes, any two sides equal. Okay, any two sides. The length of any two sides should be equal. Okay, then what about scalene? No sides. Vishka, we just started. Okay, we just started, right? I was just giving the idea about triangles. Okay, we just started. Don't worry about that. Okay. Okay. So based on sides, we have three different type of triangles. First, we have scalene triangle, right? In which no sides are equal. All sides are different in length. Okay, they are different in length. For example, if I'm having this has 5 centimeter, this has 6 centimeter, this has 8 centimeter, then this is your scalene triangle. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now suppose this is your 6 centimeter, this is your 6 centimeter, this is your 8 centimeter. Then it is, tell me, what kind of triangle it is? What kind of triangle? This is isosceles. Yes, very good. Because two sides are equal, right? Two sides are equal. Okay? No, Amisha, I'm just giving you the information. Okay? Don't worry about this figure. Okay? Right? Now, if I'm saying that this angle is also 80 degree, sorry, this side is also 6, right? Then it is your equilateral triangle, right? Adam, my voice is not echoing. Okay, my voice is not echoing because I'm using only one device. Okay, so I'm giving two students one simple task. Okay, so Shravya and who is very consistent in voice, Daksh. Okay, now Shravya and Daksh, Shravya, you see, both of you see who is absent and just message me at the end of the class. Okay, right? Just check who is absent. Okay, everyone? Okay. Yeah, so I can say that based on sides, we have three different type of triangles: scalene triangle, no sides same; isosceles triangle, any two sides equal; as well as equilateral triangle, in which all three sides are equal. Okay, right. Now, second, based on angles. Now, based on angles, we have acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle triangle. Okay. Yes, Shravya? Acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle triangle. Okay, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle triangle. Now the student should ask, what is the meaning of these? Because we have already studied acute angle. What is acute angle? Tell me. Tell me, what is acute angle? Yes. So I can say that if all the angles of a triangle, if all the angles of a triangle is less than 90 degree, then it is your acute angle triangle. For example, this triangle, what do you think? This is acute angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle? All angles should be less than 90 degree. All the angles should be less than 90 degree. Okay? Then we have obtuse angle triangle. Now just think about this, right? See this, A, B, C. Can I say that this is your acute angle triangle? Tell me, can I say that? No, right? Because if you see this angle, if we see angle ABC, this is your angle which is more than 90 degree. Yes or no? So this angle is more than 90 degree. Right, everyone? This is your obtuse angle. Yes. So if a triangle have one obtuse angle, if a triangle have one obtuse angle, then this is called as obtuse angle triangle. Got it, everyone? Tell me. Got it? Okay. Now my question is, can we have two obtuse angle in a triangle? Tell me. Can we have two obtuse angle in a triangle? No, right? Very good. Because obviously the sum of all the angles of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree, right? So obviously it is not possible for two angles to be greater than 90 degree. Okay? Because if they will be greater than 90 degree, then the sum of two angles itself will be greater than 90 degree, sorry, 180 degree, right? Which is not possible. Okay, everyone? So this is your obtuse angle triangle. Now, if the angle, if the angle of triangle, if any one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, right, is 90 degree, then it is called as right angle triangle. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay, everyone? Okay? Okay, very good, everyone. So now we understood that we have two different category of triangles, one based on sides, one based on angles. Right, everyone? Okay, tell me, which of them is your right angle triangle? Which of them is your obtuse angle triangle? Which of them is acute angle triangle? Right? Tell me, everyone, just have a look and let me know. You have to tell me the number also. Number also. Like which of them are acute angle, which of them are obtuse angle, which of them are right angle triangle. Okay. What about one? See. Okay. I guess most of you have already solved it. Yes, it was very easy. Okay. So I can say that 1, 4, okay, 1, 4 is your acute angle triangle, right? 1 and 4 acute angle triangle, right? First, depending on angles, 1, 4 acute angle triangle, okay, 2 and tell me 2 and 6 right angle triangle, and 3 and 5 obtuse angle triangle, okay. 22, Shravya, 22. The 23, sorry, it's 23 actually, right? I'll just check. Arav, please check your device because my voice is not echoing at all. Okay, my voice is not echoing at all. Right, everyone? Okay, okay, Shabha, I'll just give you the names after the class. Arav, you have to use one device. You are using two devices. That's why you might have echo. Okay. Now this was according to what? Angles. Now according to sides, tell me how many of them are scalene, how many of them are isosceles, and how many of them are this equilateral triangle. Tell me, depending on sides. Tell me, everyone. Arav, are you still having issues? Can you hear me clearly? Because I can hear myself clearly and there's no echo at all. Okay, good then. Okay, So first is your, yes, very good. First isosceles, second scalene. What about third? Third, third is isosceles. Very good. Fourth, equilateral. Fifth, isosceles. Sixth, also isosceles. Right, everyone? Easy? Easy, everyone? Okay. Right? Now we study what is triangle, what is side of triangle. Then we will study some other parameters. Now, median. What is the meaning of median? So median is a line. Obviously, median is a line. Just focus. Median is a line from any vertices of the, or any vertex of the triangle. Any vertex of the triangle. So in a triangle, if you see in this triangle we have three vertices, right? Anna, right? We have three vertices, A, B, and C, right? The point at which the two sides meets is your vertex. Makes sense. So we have three vertex, right? Just think about this. Now from any vertex, if I draw a line which cuts the opposite side, okay, from any vertex, if you draw a line which cuts the opposite side such a way that it is divided into two equal parts, okay, right? It is called your median. So what's the median? Median is a line from the vertex, any vertex of a triangle, right, which cuts the opposite side equally. Okay, got it, right? So see this. This AD is a median because it is starting from A and cutting this opposite side BC into equal parts. Means if total line, if the length of this BC is 8, what is the length of BD? Tell me. Tell me. It should cross a vertex. See, right? For example, this is not your median. This is not your median. This is a median. Okay. This dotted line is not your median. This red line is your median. Got it? Yes, very good. So this is 4. This is also 4. Okay, everyone? Got it? Tell me, did you get this? Got it, everyone? Okay, very good. So if anyone asks, yes, Manita, I'm explaining again, don't worry. If anyone asks, what is the median of a triangle, right? So you have to remember 2 points. First, it is a line from any vertices. For example, just suppose this B. It's a line originated from B and it cuts the opposite side. So which side is opposite to B? Tell me, Manita, which side is opposite to B? Tell me, which side? Side is AC, right? Side is AC. B is your vertex. AC is your side, right? AC, na? It's not A or not C, it's AC. You cannot represent any line with one point. You have to represent either AC or AB with 2 points. Line can be represented with 2 points. Okay. So AC. So if you draw a line which intersect AC such a way that it bisects the line, means cut this into two equal parts. Okay, this point will divide this line into two equal parts. Okay, then this red line is called as median. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Yes, yes. The vertex is actually a point at which two sides of any polygon meet. Okay, right? That's your vertex. Okay, so see the definition. A line segment, see the line segment AD joining midpoint of BC and opposite vertex is called your median of a triangle. Got it, everyone? Anyone have any doubts? Tell me, anyone have any doubts? So, is this line, is this dotted line, is this dotted line your median? Tell me, is this dotted line your median? No, right? No, it's not a median, right? But you can say that, see this dotted line, it is also dividing this side BC, yes or no? This line, this dotted line is also dividing this side BC in equal parts, yes or no? Yes or no? It is dividing now. It is given. This sign means it is dividing equally, right? If you have this sign, double bond, sorry, not double bond, this double sign, right? It means it is equal. So side is equal. Still it is not a median. Then what it is called? Tell me. Because it is your 90 degree, right? So if a line divides any side, forget about its passing through vertex or not, right? This line is called as perpendicular bisector, not altitude, perpendicular bisector. There's a difference. We will see all the difference. Okay, right? That's why you should sit with notebook and your pen, right? Perpendicular bisector, right? Bisector means it is dividing your side. Perpendicular because it is dividing perpendicularly. It is making 90 degree with the side which is it is dividing. Got it, everyone? Tell me, right? Got it? We'll study it, don't worry. Okay, it won't be altitude. So we have 3 or 4 types of lines. So first, median, we will write a table, don't worry. We will have a table, right? We will summarize everything, but try to understand each and every concept. Okay, let's see. Now tell me, how many medians can have in a triangle? Tell me, how many medians we can have in a triangle? 3 medians now, because we have 3 vertex, 3 sides, so there should be 3 medians. Yes, very good. 3 medians. Does a median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle? Means if there's a case in which median can be outside the triangle. Is there any case? No, right? Yes, because it is dividing the side, right, into equal parts. So it should remain inside the triangle. Okay? Okay, everyone. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now, altitude, right? Now, what is the difference between altitude and median, right? So, let's see this. Let's see this. I will just make lots of triangles. Okay. Okay, this will always form an isosceles triangle, I guess. Don't worry, right? Suppose this is your random triangle, okay? If it's not given, don't consider it as isosceles triangle. Yes, altitude means height. And what is the height? What's the meaning of height? It is the perpendicular distance. Okay, something happened. Okay, so I can say that if I draw a line perpendicular from, okay, if I draw a line perpendicular from any vertex, okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C, right? Perpendicular to this surface. Which surface or which side? Opposite side. Okay. A line drawn from a vertex perpendicularly on the opposite side is called your altitude, right? So let's draw one more figure. Okay, wait, let me draw. I'm horrible at drawing, so please. Okay, okay, everyone. Yes, altitude is height. Okay, altitude is height only. So see this. We have three different vertex: A, B, and C. Right? Let's draw a perpendicular line from A on BC. So this AD will be your altitude. Right, everyone? Okay? Got it? If you draw a line from C on AB, okay? And suppose this is also making 90 degree. So this CE is your altitude. Got it, everyone? Yes. It may or may not bisect, by the way. Okay, that's the thing, right? You can write like this: median wait, I'll just explain. Wait for some time, right? Bisects the opposite side. Okay? Wait, something happened to my OneNote. Okay, don't worry. Now someone uh, got disconnected. The three students were absent now. Okay, so bisects the opposite side may or may not be perpendicular. Okay, it may or may not be perpendicular. That's the thing. It may or may not. may, wait, something happened, I guess. Wait, my pad is stopped working, I guess. Yes, everyone, I'll repeat, don't worry. My WordPad is behaving abnormally. So I can say that in triangle ABC, AD, sorry, not AD, BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC, right? So I can say that BD is your altitude, okay, right? And DE is not perpendicular to AC, but it is dividing AC into two equal parts. So BE is your median. Got it? Right? Now let's see. Some of you might be asking about this line. Okay, this white line. This white line is perpendicular to AC and dividing AC into two equal parts, but it is not passing through any vertex. This line is your perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. I don't know why my note is very annoying today. Apologies, everyone. Okay. So you understood this? Okay, very good. So we have three lines: altitude, median, and perpendicular bisector. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, right, everyone? Everyone got this? Very good, very good. Very good, everyone. Now just think about this. Just think about this. How many altitudes a triangle can have? Tell me. How many? How can one? How can one? We have three sides, so obviously three altitude, na? Three sides, three altitudes, right? Okay, question number two. Now tell me, the altitude of, just think about this, right? Everyone should think. Altitude of this from point A will be this one, yes or no? From point B, it might be this one, and for point C, it might be they, this one. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? All the three altitudes pass through one point. Okay, all three altitudes, all three medians, everything pass through one point. Okay, right? Okay, now just think about this. These all are your altitudes, right? Now, this is a point at which all the altitudes are meeting. Okay, right, everyone? right? So I can say that the point at which all the altitude meet is called as orthocenter. Write it down. Orthocenter. Write it down, everyone. Okay. Write down the point at which all the altitude intersect, right, is called as orthocenter. Got it, everyone? Right? Because obviously they are lines, they will intersect, and there's a condition, all the three will intersect at the same point. That point is called as orthocenter. Yes, everyone? Tell me. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Right? So this was the altitudes of your scalene triangle or acute angle triangle. Sorry, acute angle triangle. Now this is your right angle triangle. Now AC is your altitude on BC. Yes or no? AC itself is altitude on BC. Yes or no? Yes, very good. If you draw a line like this, now this BD is your altitude or median. Tell me, BD is your altitude or median? BD is your altitude or median? BD is your median only, na? Because altitude, see, BC itself is a median. Sorry, altitude on AC. Just think about this. If AC is altitude of BC, then BC is altitude of AC. As simple as that. Right, everyone? Got it? Because they are perpendicular to each other now. If AC is perpendicular to BC, then obviously BC is perpendicular to AC. Right, everyone? Not ma'am Ragini. Sir. So BD, in this case, BD is your median. BD is your median. Right? Right, everyone? BD is your median. It is your median. Okay. Right? Now just tell me, think and tell me, in this right angle triangle, which point is your orthocenter? Tell me, everyone, which point will be your orthocenter? Which point? Inside the triangle or outside the triangle or on the triangle? Which point? Which point will be your orthocenter? Remember the definition of orthocenter. It is a point at which the altitude will meet. Think about this. That's the concept, right? Now, in this right angle triangle, the altitudes will always meet at this point. Now, see, right? Are you getting? Right? This and this both altitude, and they are meeting at point C. And from point C, you can draw another perpendicular on AB. So this is a point on which all the three. Brinda, just think about this, right? What is the meaning of 90 degree? Tell me. What is the meaning of 90 degree? Perpendicular? Yes or no? Right? Now, can from one point on one line, can there be more than one line which is perpendicular to the other line? Tell me. This is BD. Now, either BC or BD, any one of these two will be perpendicular to line AC, yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? Can BD and BC both be perpendicular? Just think about this now. We know that from a line to a point, there's only one line which is perpendicular to the other line. Yes or no? Right? Got it? Okay. That's why if BC is already perpendicular, it is already said it is 90 degree, right? So obviously BD is not your altitude, it is your median, because I'm saying that AD is equal to DC. Okay? Okay, everyone? Okay, right? So see, in case of ABC, Ortho center was inside the triangle. In right angle triangle, ortho center is on the triangle, right? And altitudes are also on the triangle. What about this? Let's see. Obtuse angle. Extend this, right? Extend this line. Okay? Now tell me one thing. From A, draw perpendicular on BC. Tell me. From A, from A, what is the meaning of perpendicular, Ragini? Tell me. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Tell me. Everyone, what's the meaning of perpendicular? 90 degree? Yes? 90 degree, very good. Right? Now if you have a line, suppose if you have a line, this is your line. And this is a point. From this point, how many perpendicular you can draw on this line? Tell me. How many perpendicular you can draw from a point on line? One or more than one? Tell me. This is a perpendicular. Can this also be a perpendicular? Tell me. Can this also be a perpendicular? It's not possible. It's not possible at all, right? From a point to a line, there is only one perpendicular. Got it? Ragini, got it? Right? So obviously, if you have a triangle, right, there'll be only one perpendicular from a point to a line, right? This will not be a perpendicular. Okay, got it? Now, from A, draw perpendicular on BC. Can you draw perpendicular on BC from point A? Tell me, yes or no. Can you draw a perpendicular from point A to BC? Yes. Inside the triangle. Because see, this angle itself is less than, this angle itself is greater than 90 degree. So you cannot draw a line which is inside this line BC and is perpendicular to BC from A, right? Perpendicular is straight, this one. This is a perpendicular, right? So this is your altitude. But this altitude is inside this triangle. Tell me, is this altitude inside this triangle? Yes or no? Outside. Got it? Right? Okay. So I can say that in acute angle triangle, all the altitudes are inside the triangle, right? All the triangles are inside the triangle. In case of acute angle triangle, in case of right angle triangle, the altitudes are the two sides. Okay. In case of obtuse angle triangle, altitude will be outside the triangle. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got this? Right? Okay. I hope all of you got this. Okay. Tell me, everyone, got this? Just message. Okay, very good. So we will take a break till then. Please try to understand what is median, what is altitude. Okay, we will take break of 10 minutes. We'll be back at 3. Yeah. So I hope all of you understood what is altitude and what is median, right? So I can say that median always stay inside the triangle, but altitude may be inside the triangle or outside the triangle depending on the triangle, types of triangle. Got it, everyone? Right? Tell me. Okay, so who is absent? Harsha is not here, I guess. Harsha, you there? Harsha is here. Okay, so question number 3, right? Just go through question number 3. Will an altitude always lie in the interior of triangle? If you think that this is not true, right, then show it using sketch. So obviously the answer is no, right? No, that's what I'm answering, Esther. Okay, right? So it is not true that altitude always lie inside the triangle. Okay, yes, Daksh, I'll send it. Don't worry. Today I'll send it. So the example in this second problem, okay, the example third, which is the obtuse angle. You can say that in obtuse angle triangle, there will be one altitude which will be outside the two altitudes actually, right? In case of BC also, the altitude will be outside the triangle. In case of this, it will also be outside the triangle. Only this altitude will be inside the triangle. Got it, everyone? Right? Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone? Okay, I guess everyone got this. Now, 4. Can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of a triangle are of its two sides? Tell me. We just discussed this. Tell me, is it possible that the altitude are your sides of a triangle? Yes, no. Right angle triangle. See, second example of question number 2. A right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, two sides are actually two altitudes. Got it? Right, everyone? Okay, very good, very good. Now question number 5. Can the altitude and medium be same for a triangle? Yes. In which case of triangle? In which case triangle? Yes, Devika, yes. Right? Just see this. Draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. It is talking about all the medians and all the altitudes. Right? Just talk about this equilateral triangle. Okay, suppose we have an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In case of equilateral triangle, the altitude and the median both are same. Altitude and median both are same in case of equilateral triangle. Got it? So write it, everyone. In case of equilateral triangle, everyone should write. In case of equilateral triangle, your altitude and median are same. Okay, everyone. Arav, Tuvishka, Akshit, who is absent. There are two students who is not here. Okay, I'll get the list anyways. Akshit is not here, I guess. Akshit is here, sorry. Then Rishika is having issues, so she messaged me. Okay, so got you, all of you. Dhanvi is not here, yeah. So I can say that in equilateral triangle, both, yes, Sricharan is absent, yes. Sricharan, Rishika, Dhanvi. So in equilateral triangle, both median and altitude are same. Got it, everyone? Tell me, everyone got this? Yes? Okay. Okay, everyone. Very good. Right? Now, let's solve this problem. Exercise 6.1. Everyone, solve exercise 6.1. Okay. 6.1. In triangle PQR, PM is your, tell me, what is PM? Very good, everyone. PM is your altitude. Yes, everyone. And PD is your median. Okay. Is PM equal to MR? Is PM equal to MR? No, very good, very good. But if I'm asking that is QD equal to DR, tell me, is QD equal to DR? Yes, very good, everyone. Okay, so question number two, you have to draw. I guess you can draw question number two, right? Okay, so 2 or 3, homework. 2 and 3 will be your homework. Okay, so next topic. I hope all of you understood what are the different type of triangles, right? Depending on side, depending on angles, and what is your altitude and median and perpendicular angle bisector. Okay, okay, right? Now, this we have already studied. Tell me, this we have already studied, yes or no? How many of you remember this, that sum of exterior angle, sorry, this angle plus this angle is equal to this whole angle? Tell me. We have studied in lines and angles, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So we will prove it. Okay, we will prove it now. Ready? Ready to prove? Okay. Now see how to prove this. How to prove that this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. We have already studied this, but how to prove this? So there's a construction. What is construction? From C, okay, from C, draw a line parallel to AB. Okay, that's what you do, right? From C, draw a line, this line. This line is parallel to this AB. Got it, everyone? This is construction. This is what I'm drawing. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, this angle A, right? This line and this line are perpendicular. Sorry, parallel. These two lines are parallel. So tell me, this is angle A, right? This is angle B. So can I say that? Can I say that if this and this are parallel, then this angle is equal to this angle? Yes or no? Tell me. This angle is equal to this angle? Yes? Okay. So let it be x. This is also x. Okay. This is also x. Alternate interior angle. Yes. Very good. Very good. Right. Now this is y. This is z. Okay. Right, everyone? Okay. Now this and this are parallel. So this angle is equal to this angle. Yes or no? Corresponding angles, tell me, this y is equal to this y, corresponding angles. How many of you are getting this? I'll just rub everything. This angle is equal to this angle you proved. Okay, so if this is x, this is x. Anyone have any doubt with this? Tell me, anyone have any doubt in this? No, right? Everyone got this? Okay, very good. Now I'm saying that if this is y, then this a is also y. It is your, this line is parallel and this is your transversal. So it is your alternate, sorry, corresponding angles. It is your corresponding angles. Got it? And this is your alternate interior angle. Got it? Okay, very good, right? Very good. So can I say that this x plus y is actually your opposite interior angles? Okay, so this is the property that we have already studied, that any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Right, everyone? Tell me, right, everyone? Okay, very good. So in last chapter we studied about this property, and in this chapter we studied the derivation. I hope all of you understood. Okay, very good. Now tell me, right? So this is how you draw it, how you prove it. We have already proved this. I hope all of you remember. Very good, very good. Now tell me this. First one, exterior angle can be formed from a triangle in many ways, right? So they are the three exterior angles. Okay, now tell me, in case of a triangle, how many exterior angles can be formed, right? See this, every angle can have two exterior angles. Yes or no? That this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Now this angle, this is one exterior angle, but if you extend this, this is your second extra angle. Yes or no? Tell me. If you extend this side, you will get second extra angle. Yes, very good, Daksh. 6. If you extend this is your first extra angle. If you extend this is your second extra angle. In the same way, if you extend this first extra angle, right? Extend this second extra angle, right? So in any triangle, we will have 6 exterior angles. Okay. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Are the exterior angles formed at each vertex of a triangle equal? Yes or no? Tell me. Are they equal? Are they equal? Yes or no? They should be equal, right? They must be equal, because see this, if you are talking about this angle, it is also this angle plus this angle, and if you are talking about this angle, it is also this angle plus this angle, and if you see this, it is your vertically opposite angle, right? So yes, they are equal. Yes. Okay, third one, what can you say about sum of exterior angles of a triangle and its adjacent interior angle? So this angle and this angle, tell me, what are they? If this is x, this is y, what is the relationship between these two? Tell me. Yes, they are linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. Right, everyone? Okay, very good. So everyone got this concept? It was easy. What do you think? Whatever we have studied till now, it was easy? Okay. So see, this was very easy problem that we have already solved in last chapter, right? Okay. So see, tell me, everyone, tell me what is the answer of question number 1? Yes, supplementary angles are linear pair, na Ragini? right? Tell me, one, answer question number one. Yes, very good. 120 degree. 70 plus 50, 120, right? Very good. Second one, solve each and every problem. Very good. Second one is your addition. सही से करो. Second one is your 110 degree. Third is your 70 degree. Very good. Fourth is your 120 degree. Fourth, 120 degree. Okay. Fifth, 100 degree. Sixth, 90 degree. Got it, everyone? Easy, easy, easy peasy. Very good. Now, solve this one. Solve this one. Yeah. You all will be awesome in geometry. You can teach your friends. Okay. I'll make you that strong. But you have to practice. Next year, all of you should be very different from your friends. Okay. Like you can actually teach them everything. You are not realizing, but half of your class 8 portion will be completed in this year. Okay. And by next year, your whole ninth will be completed. Yes, very good. So I guess all of you can solve these problems, right? Okay. Now tell me, how many of you are actually feeling lines and angles of NCRT, 7th NCRT easy? Tell me, how many of you are feeling this? Just raise your hand. Very easy. Is there anyone who is feeling that NCRT of your 7th class is difficult, of lines and angles, or even simple equations, or even fractions, or any chapter that you have studied till now? Are you feeling easy? Tell me. Right? See, that's what I'm saying. If you solve harder problems now, right, then the easier problems will seem very easy. Okay. Now, you guys have struggled in start, in linear equations, in fractions, in rational number, right? Yeah, to Vishka, practice simple equations. Practice is required. Lots of practice is required. Don't leave chapter. Okay, don't leave that chapter. Keep on practicing. Okay, right? And I have told that syllabus will be completed till November, but ideally it will get completed in October itself. Okay, so we will have second round. Very good. All of you should solve exemplar. Each and every problem of exemplar, right? If you solve each and every problem of exemplar, you will be very strong in all the concepts. Okay? Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's play Kahoot. Okay, ready? Right? Let's play Kahoot. It's Kahoot time. So homework, revision only, because this is very easy. Only few problems is there. Okay, right? Right, everyone? Okay, let's play Kahoot. Let's see. That's why I will leave 10 minutes early. Don't worry. I'll leave 10 minutes early. Okay? Okay, everyone. Okay, Aditya said that, no, Ragini said that science class is cancelled. Okay, don't worry then. So we'll play 2 or 3 Kahoots today. Okay, 2 or 3, right? One from this chapter and then other for previous chapters. Okay, because we haven't played for previous chapter also now, right? So one for this chapter. Where is this? Yeah, triangle. Okay, everyone, please be ready. Okay, everyone should join. I will check the attendance according to this Kahoot. Okay. Okay, the code, it's visible. The code is 126070. 126070. Yeah, I'll be waiting. Don't worry. Everyone should join. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, let's start. The number of vertices, sides, and angles in a triangle are respectively, right? I hope all of you read the problem. Easy. Start. How come someone makes answer 333 na? This is the first thing that we studied, right? Very good. Next, read the question properly. Tell me. Everyone should be correct in this. How come you made mistake in this? How come? That is surprising. If you talk about, see this, ABC, A, B, C, side opposite to say will be AB na, right? There's no image, Ragini, there's no image. Okay, there's no image. Okay, Next, let's see what's the scoreboard. Okay, next. In a scalene triangle, all sides will be of equal length. It's true, false, by the way. Yes, it's false, right? They are of unequal lengths. Now think about this. The measure of each angle in an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal, so all the angles should be, tell me, think about this. $60, nah, it should be $60, okay. Last problem. An obtuse angle triangle can have only one obtuse angle. An obtuse angle triangle can have only one obtuse angle, true or false? We just explained this. True, na? I've explained, right? Let's see the podium. Manita third, very good. Madhur second, very good. First, who's first? First is Abhinav. Very good, very good. Okay, so we will see the reports later. Okay, right? We will see the reports later. Let's play another Kahoot. Right, everyone? Same chapter? Ready? Same chapter or previous chapters? We can play two more Kahoot today. We have lots of time. So let's play one Kahoot on this topic. Medians. Okay, same chapter. Wait. Okay, everyone, the code is 17960. 17960. Adav is there? Who's this king? Okay, don't worry. Okay, we will start now. Everyone, go through the problem. A median connects the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? True or false? That's the problem. True or false? True, na? It was the basic definition. Wow, Tanmay. So many of you answered very quickly. The number of median a triangles are. It's easy. Everyone should correct. Everyone should be correct in this. Number of median in a triangle are. Three, na? Who made one? Three. Four students marked one. How come? See this. Okay? Answer this. It's true or false? True or false? Tell me. If AD is a median, then BD is equal to CD. True or false? It's true, na? Median of a triangle always lie in the interior of a triangle. Again, true or false? It's true, na? They are studied, right? It's true. Again, Abhinav Madhur for second position. In which type of triangle is the number of median less than 3? Let's see what's the answer. How come median will be less than 3? It's not possible, right? Right? That's discussed it, right? Let's see the podium. Harsh, third position. Okay, very good, Harsh. Abhinav, second position. Okay, very good. First position. Let's see, Daksh. Is it Daksh? Madhur. Wow. Fourth Vishka, fifth Shavya. Very good, everyone. Very good. Right? Now one last Kahoot of today's, right? So previous chapter, I'll give one previous chapter, okay? So which previous chapter? Since tomorrow we have a test of lines and angles, we have completed all the Kahoot of lines and angles. Tell me everyone, have we completed all the Kahoot of lines and angles? Okay. Then we will do the Kahoot of this first chapter. Let's see, first chapter. Okay, revision. Okay. Okay, Daksh. It might be your internet issues. Let's revise in teachers, everyone. Okay. Let's revise in teachers. Let's see who is remembering all the concepts. Who can be the winner of this Kahoot? Okay, everyone. 17 players. Right, everyone? So shall we start? Okay. There are 2 students who are not attending yet. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Those who haven't attended, please attend. Okay, I'll start it. The code will be shown at the bottom of the quiz, okay? Okay, the first question is, all the natural numbers are whole numbers. True or false? All the natural numbers are whole numbers. Super easy problem. Okay, all the 17 have answered. It is true, na? It is true, right? All natural numbers are whole number, but all whole number is not natural number, right? It's true. Next one, see the scoreboard. Wow, everyone, no issues, Mansa. Okay, just attend whenever you can. Most of you answered within 5 seconds. Very good. Let's see your next problem. All the whole numbers are integers. Tell me, all the whole numbers are integers. True or false? True. No, it is true, right? If you remember the breakdown, right? It is rational number converted into, tell me, integers and fractions, then integers converted into negative numbers and positive numbers or non-negative numbers. Next, what will be the additive inverse of minus 101? Additive inverse of minus 101. Yes, it is plus 101 now, right? Additive inverse means if you add them, it should be 0, right? Wow, Abhinav is maintaining the streak. Next, what will be the next term in the pattern? Tell me. 10, 6, 4. What will be the next term? 10, 6, 4. Minus 2 now, right? You are just subtracting 2 to 4 for every time. Abhinav is maintaining the streak. Well, very good. Harsha in the game. Fifth problem. Which of the following pair will give minus 3 on addition? Which of the following pair will give minus 3 on addition? Tell me, everyone. Quick. As soon as you answer, the more score you'll get. Minus 3. It's minus 6 plus 3 now, right? 5 of you are up, like made mistake. Shravya and Brinda in the game. Abhinav still holding first position. Let's see who can snatch his first position. Integers are closed under multiplication. Closure property. Those who answer fast, they'll get more score, by the way. Okay, very good. 15 students said yes, it is true, right? Very good. Abhinav still holding first position. Shravya, top. Second question, integers follow commutative property under subtraction. True or false? Fast, fast. If you answer within seconds, you'll get more points, okay? Very good, very good. Stolzen said it is false now, right? People are just scoring good scores. 8, which of the following pair will give minus 9 under subtraction? Which of the following pair will give minus 9 under subtraction? Quick, let's use the answer. Okay, yeah, tell me. Minus 9 under subtraction. Only 4. See, under subtraction. That was the trick. It is not under addition. Most of it did under addition. Minus 9. Under subtraction, it is minus 12. Minus of minus 3. Subtraction under subtraction. So it is minus 9. Got it? तो जल्दबाजी में गलती हो गई. ओके. Abhinav lost his first position to Shravya. Let's see. Abhinav, buckle up. Integers don't follow this under addition. Closure property, associative property, commutative property. Integers बहुत अच्छा है सर, सब फॉलो करता है. बताओ. वेरी गुड. इंटीजर्स बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, तुम भी इंटीजर्स बनो, सब कुछ फॉलो करता है. राइट, तुम लोग भी सब कुछ फॉलो करो. मम्मी की बात सुनो, टीचर्स की बात सुनो. वेरी गुड. Ragini, second position. Abhinav is losing his position. Now this might be, okay, this is one random question. It should be my name. Okay, चलो विष्णु सर करके कर दो आंसर. देखते हैं विष्णु सर को कौन बहुत खराब बोल रहा है. इसमें तक टाइम कैसे लग रहा है. वाओ, बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब दो लोग. दिल टूट गया मेरा. अभिनव थर्ड पोजीशन.